So we are at the falls, Niagara Falls, and I'm thinking we were gonna maybe do a taping here, but it's a little too thick, and we'll go through a couple color changes because it'll continually change colors, and it's the mist that's going to prevent this from happening. It'd be easier if it was daytime, but at night, can't do it. But I would love for you to see the colors. You get reds, purples, all kinds of different, and blues, yeah, all kinds of different colors. And then there's a real special kind of a yellow. It's just so cool. But like I said, all that mist is so thick. Maybe 2 minutes here. You'll pick up a little bit of holographic look to it too when it gets certain colors. Like that one. Well, I haven't seen it do that before. I've never seen the lights go out on it. That was odd. Another few seconds for a few more colors for you. Think of how beautiful it would be if you didn't have all that mist. Some nights it's better than others. Okay, at 3:30 I'll stop. Hope you're all having a great night. Just want to do a quick share on what the falls looks like and the colors. But we've got this mist that's kind of messing it up. Alright, see you soon.